In today's video, we will try to learn the next step of bank reconciliation statement, where we will pass these journal entries or voucher entries which we don't made because we don't know that entries, and when we check our bank statement there we find these entries. So we will make these entries. For here, come here, gateway of tally, then go with vouchers, then press F5 for payment voucher. The payment voucher is selected. Now press F2 for selection of date. The date will be 31st/07/2024. Press enter. Press enter, and then we will create a secondary ledger. So press Alt C, and the secondary ledger name is bank charges because we want to make a bank charge entry. This it will be under indirect expenses. Indirect expenses. So this is completed. Now press enter. Press enter. Accept yes. Now put the value of 50, which is our bank charges. Press enter, then select credit, which is SBI. So select SBI, and the amount is automatically calculated. Now press Ctrl A for save the screen. The screen is saved. I will make another entry of dishonored check. For this, we will receive the check from Wood Furniture 31st/7/2024. We passed a receipt entry, but now we will pass opposite entry under payment 2000. Date, which is date is 2/8/2024. For this, press F2, and the date will be 02/08/2024, because in this date our check was dishonored. So then debit will be the Wood and Furniture Limited, which will be 25,000. Press enter. Against difference, it will be selected. Press enter. Press enter. Then the credit will be the bank SBI. So select the SBI from the list. Press enter. Press enter. Check that instrument number is 32150, which is mentioned in our question, and the instrument date is 31st/07/2024. Press enter. Now press Ctrl A for save the screen. Now we will pass another entry. For this, press F2 again for changing the date. The date will be 31st/08/2024. Then the bank charges will be debit, which is value is 125, mentioned in our question table 2, and then we will select SBI. Press enter. Press enter. There we don't have to put any number because we don't have any number, so press Ctrl A for save the screen. Now we'll make the last entry for receipt. Press F6 for receipt. Now receipt mode is on. Press F2 for changing the date. The date will be 31st/08/2024. Now press enter. Press Alt C for create secondary ledger. Here we will create interest on bank deposit. On bank deposit. bank deposit. If you will under indirect incomes, so select indirect incomes. This will not applicable. All presenter accept, yes. Then indirect expenses is complete. Now put the value, which is 1175. Presenter, the debit will be the bank SBI, so select SBI. Presenter and press Ctrl A for save the screen. Because we don't have enough balance, so my current balance in bank account is on red, otherwise it will be on black. Press Ctrl A for save the screen. The entries we did not made in our bank account, now we made all these entries. In our next video we will look at the reconciliation screen once again in an alternative way. Thank you for watching.